What the heck, and welcome back to the vlog. We are in Bali. We're not in Sri Lanka anymore. We have moved on. I'm with a crew. You'll meet them later. We're going on a waterfall adventure. Let's go. After 2 hours of my bum hurting on the moped, we are here. It looks like we didn't think there was going to be a waterfall, but we found it. Bali'S Waterfall. This is the crew.
I am Johnny. Nice to meet you guys.
What's up? I'm Taylor. How's it going?
Hey, first time meeting you guys. I'm Jackson.
And I'm Oliver.
Yeah, we got the boys. Hey, little guy. You know it's an undiscovered waterfall when there's no locals hanging out trying to get a couple bucks out of you. Who would have thought there were still waterfalls that no one went to in Bali? Amazing. Man, we just struck gold today. Check this out.
Heart of your
You know, whenever you switch to the GoPro, it's gonna be a good time because we're going into the water. Let go. It's a freaking huge waterfall. Look at this. Woo, woo, woo. Whoa! That waterfall is so ridiculously powerful. Check it out. Woo! This place is unreal. Just as we leave, sneaky rainbow pops up. Woo! Boys, we're at KFC. Oh, I mean JFC, the old Asian KFC. Nothing beats it. A lot of people though. Quite nice still.
Yeah, it's littered with a few tourists.
There we go. Get into that. Stay there.
Oh yeah, that's it. Oh! You know what this reminds me of, Jackson?
No.
Ever watched Milan?
No.
Yeah, that's right. This guy doesn't watch Disney. Well, you know Milan, she climbs the top, beats the best.
with all the force of a great typhoon, with all the strength of raging fire.
No, I don't watch movies.
He doesn't watch movies. So many issues with this guy.
Jackson just didn't have a childhood. He actually was born with that beard.
Yeah. Born.
Hold on. I can show you my driver's license. I swear it's not true.
Jacko! Look at you, mate. Organ donor.
Yeah, organ donor. Be an organ donor. What are you going to do with them when you're dead?
12 o'clock on the 12th birthday! Jackson is 26 years old.
Shit, I'm an old man.
26. I'm hanging out with the oldest dude I know.
Just looking after the kids, you know?
This is the second year that I've hung out with Jackson on his birthday in a row. That's right, commitment issues? I don't think so. Anyway, we're gonna go party on into the night. It's been a great day, guys, and I'll see you in the next. Remember to subscribe if you do like this crap, and I'll see you in the next one. What the heck?